all my friends from the electronic and print media, and also all the police officers present here. First of all, I'd like to thank you, all of you, for the very good coverage you have provided to recently concluded Inter-Battalion Sports Championship. This briefing is basically for the Inter-Zone Sports Meet 2021, which is being held here in Jammu from 13th of March to 16th of March. As you know, J&K Police has many achievements in the field of sports to its credit, both at the national and international level. And members of J&K Police Central Sports teams have performed very well in All India Police Championships and other events. Jammu Kashmir Police has been organizing various sports events, and this is part of our annual calendar. And the main purpose is, one is basically to encourage sports culture within the police in various wings, and the second is to basically do the talent spotting and selection of new and young players for the central sports team, and with proper coaching they would be representing us at national and international levels. So far we have organized, that is J&K Police has organized more than 14 national level mega sports events, the last being 19th All India. Unfortunately, due to COVID-19 pandemic, last year we could not organize most of the events, both sports and cultural, except at Jashnir Dal at Srinagar. We are going to conduct All India Police Judo Cluster 2020-21, most probably at Jammu during December 2021. The dates are being confirmed. We are trying to upgrade our sports infrastructure as well as equipment in a phased manner, and the modern facilities are being made available to our central sports teams. Inter-Zone Sports Meet is another step to promote sports culture among our personnel who are from different parts of the UT, and also this provides an opportunity to the players and the participants to share their cultural heritage. The opening ceremony is scheduled for tomorrow, and DGP J&K Shri Dilbagh Singh has consented to be the chief guest. This starts at 4 p.m. tomorrow. The closing ceremony is scheduled for 16th March. During this 4-day program, 6 zones, that is Armed, SDRF, Home Guard, Civil Defence, Jammu Zone, Kashmir Zone, Training, and Intelsect, which consists of CID, Telecom, Traffic, Security, Railways and SSG, are participating. Suitable arrangements with regard to the reception, accommodation, transport, and other allied facilities are being made, and for this various committees have been formed so that the participating teams of various zones do not face any problem during their participation and stay here. We have participants from both men and women section. The event: handball, weightlifting, kabaddi, shooting, judo, hockey, wushu, tug of war, volleyball, wrestling, bodybuilding, fencing, penchak salat, arms wrestling, powerlifting, and sepak takraw. For women, the events are archery, athletics, basketball, boxing, football, handball, weightlifting, kabaddi, shooting, judo, wushu, tug of war, volleyball, wrestling, kho-kho, fencing, pencaksilat, arms wrestling, and sepak takraw. We also have events for gazetted officers, which include badminton, table tennis, lawn tennis, and shooting. These events are being held at multiple locations, which include University Ground, where football, hockey, and athletics would be organized, DPL Ground Jammu for volleyball, kabaddi, and handball, Indoor Complex Gulshan Ground for all indoor events, Gulshan Ground Jammu basketball, Shooting Range Sunjwa for shooting, Geo's Mess and Indoor Hall DPL for gazetted officers events, MA Stadium Jammu fencing, and of course the inaugural and closing ceremony would be held on this ground only. We are expecting participation of 1200 to 1500 players in various games, in addition to gazetted officer who would be participating in the respective events. I am thankful to all of you and look forward to extensive coverage of the event, which will contribute to attracting youth of J&K towards sports. Thank you.